Good day everyone, thank you for watching this video. As some of you already know, my name is Jamie de Vries from SafeSwap, and in this video I will show you how to use the token migration tool for the Memelordz token. So as you can see here in the menu of the website, we have the token migration tool for mobile users that would look more like this. So basically you click on there and then you have the token migration tool here. So keep in mind, when you click on that, you will see this interface. Originally it shows the swap token. You can select Lords in here. It will immediately then, after you connect, identify your token balance, though you need to connect twice, otherwise it won't work at this moment. We hope to resolve this as soon as possible. After that, you have to pre-approve the amount of tokens. We advise you to approve the maximum amount so that you have the ability to withdraw them all. For now, I will just put a spending cap of 5 Lord tokens. So even though it already says successfully approved here, please ignore that until you see your wallet confirming the transaction like this. After that took place, put an amount of 5 tokens here. In the near future this will be automatically updated, but for now you have to do this manually. You click on swap net now, basically you see here that the transaction fee will be there. The gas fee for ICE, we have a fixed amount here showing 36 cents, but right now you can see the estimated gas fee is 58 cents. It also mentioned that this is the max fee, so the maximum amount that you should expect. It could be less, it doesn't have to be less, but it's possible that it's less. So after that you click on confirm. Again, you see this notification when you click the button. Please ignore it and just simply wait for the transaction either to be approved or ignored. You can see here in the bottom. You can see right now I have 178781 tokens in here. Alright, now it's confirmed, and basically when we are reopening it, it shows 776 instead of 781. So you can see I've successfully swapped 5 tokens from the old one to the new one. I wish everyone good luck with this procedure. Thank you for your time and understanding, and we are looking forward to support you with the SafeSwap token migration tool in the near future. Have a good day, guys.